Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Script and Execute. My name is Shruti. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to run the same test in different environments like QA, dev, staging and production. Okay. So to show you this directly, I don't have real-time application with these different environments URLs. Okay. For that, I've created some dummy URLs which just look like the real ones. Okay, so for dev it will be usually like dev.applicationname.com. Here I've gave my app. For QA it will be like qa.myapp.com, and same thing with the staging. Okay, so to run any test in different environments, usually we just need to add some environment specific settings in the config file. Okay, so here is the config file. We need to add some specific settings. Okay, so I have the settings here. Name will be dev, so name colon for dev, usually we mention dev, and here in the name of base URL we enter the URL name. Okay, so this is just a dummy URL, and name will be for QA it will be QA and use colon base URL and the base URL name, and same thing for the staging. Okay, so I've already copied this, so it is inside the project settings. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so to run this, so if you want to run all the tests, you just need to execute this command, that npx playwright test. So this will run all the tests in all the environments in parallel mode. Okay, so if you don't want that, you just want to run the script only in QA, you just need to execute this script like npx playwright test hyphen project is equal to QA. So this will run test only in QA environment. And same thing for if you want to run both in staging and dev platform, you just need to give hyphen project is equal to dev, give some space, and hyphen project is equal to staging. It will run both in dev and staging environments. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept. Okay, so this is how usually we work with multiple environments. Okay, so sorry I cannot show you this actually how it works, but this is how it works in practice. Okay, so if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.